Hey everyone, I'm Jason Charles from Clark Rubber, and I'd like to introduce you to our mobile service vans, Clark Pool and Spas. As you can see, we've got one of our new Hyundai i-loads here, which is all fully decked out and ready to go. And our franchisees use this, or a High Ace or an LDV. Doesn't have to be a new van, but when the franchisees join us, we're looking for a van that fits the look and looks the right part. Let's go around and have a look at it around the back. Our offer includes, for all of our territories, just $59,990. That includes all of our premium territories as well. And with those territories, you get a guaranteed minimum of 1,500 residential pools. So we have the addresses for all of those, and we support our new franchisees with local area marketing initiatives to help them meet those new customers and build a loyal customer base. One of the other really important things, we have a 6-month income guarantee. So for that first 6 months, we'll guarantee an income of $1,000 a week. So that really helps people that are looking to either move out of paid employment or give them that support and that comfort while they're building their new business. With that price point, as you can see, the van comes fully kitted out. So we'll provide you with not just the chemicals, but the equipment, everything you need to be fully operational. Now, you won't carry all of that equipment every day, but we'll give you all of the things you need to have your business fully operational and ready to go from day one. We also include training, and we have market leading both hardware and software for water testing, so you're fully functional and mobile every day. Let's just take a look around the side and we'll just show you the last bit of the van. As you can see, the van's fully branded all round all sides. We put in the shelving to ensure that you've got plenty of storage and make sure everything has a place and everything's neat and tidy. And as you'll see with a bit of a close-up, everything's toolkit, all the equipment, all the stock, everything you need to go. So thanks everyone for joining us on a tour of the Clark Pools and Spas mobile service van. Please feel free to visit us at franchising.clarkrubber.com.au, where you can find out more about our vans and also our full format retail stores, Clark Rubber. Thank you.